Good morning, everyone. I hope you are liking my videos and watching it and sharing it to your friends and colleagues. Today, I have come up with a new video for all my CS members, friends, colleagues, as well as seniors and juniors, those who wants to have a global presence of themselves. Yes, you heard it right, global. Why I am saying so? I am saying this because being an ICSI member, sometimes it feels like India doesn't have the opportunities as required or as needed for me to grow. Is there is something? Yes, there is something. Our institute have signed an MOU way before with the ICSA UK, which is now the governing body of the governance professional and changed its name into CGI, the Chartered Governance Institute, which allow us to be a member of the CGI Institute by giving 2 or 3 papers over a period of time and getting that degree, as well as to have a global presence, and we can work over there also, we can get a PR also. So let's begin. First, yes, ICSA or the CGI gives us a global opportunity. It's a global networking platform for our own profession to grow. Second, as I already mentioned in a brief, that MOU is signed between ICSI and CGI, out of which we only need to give 2 or 3 papers depending on the country to country, and we can get the membership of that country specific. So, like to elaborate, I am pursuing ICSA Canada, so I can become a member of the Canadian Governance Institute by giving 3 papers. These papers are corporate governance, risk management, and the Companies Act. But it doesn't stop here. The degree is transferable among member countries. Yes, even if I qualify as a Canadian governance professional, I can then also move into UK, Australia, New Zealand, or other member countries. There are around 10 member countries for which ICSI have signed the MOU with the ICSA UK. But ICSA UK itself have a presence in more than 100 countries. You need to visit the ICSI website as well as the ICSA UK website for more information. Third point, the cost. Yes, we being Indians always look for the cost. The cost per paper is around 60,000. So for 3 papers, it will be around 1.8 lakhs. And registration and other charges, if you can include, it will be around 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs depending on the currency fluctuation as well as the country of selected. Most members do pursue CS UK, but we also need to check for our as UK market is not so welcoming for Indians. Now the trend is changing and people are moving towards Canada, Australia, New Zealand, even to South Africa. So like me, I am pursuing ICSA Canada. You can also pursue Canada, New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, even Nigeria also is there, or UK. It gives an opportunity. Just I would suggest, that's my point, that try for that country which is welcoming to Indians. Second, that which is most cheapest to me, because once you get the degree is transferable. So always look for job and try to grab for that country wherever the benefit is more. Fourth point of our series is that it gives a professional certification like CPA, and it gives us a recognition equivalent to that, so that it is helpful in getting a PR of that specific country. We will be known as the governance professionals. It is equivalent to bachelor's plus 1 year. So we need to take into account that while applying for PR, if we are qualified as a governance professionals, what is my level of education? It gives us 2 points extra for qualifying as a CGI professional. Last but not the least, the fifth point is that even if we stay in India, it gives us a global opportunity and there is scope for jobs in MNCs. Few days back, I came to know that there is an opportunity in Dell, Dell India, which was looking for particularly ICSA professionals. So yes, there are opportunities and we can grow globally. With these words, I would like to end my video. Thank you.